really want to be able to help you get in touch with using this because it's super easy once you know how. Okay, so here is the main thread. Whether you're on a laptop or you're on your phone, it will be the same. So I can see I just posted a video. Maybe you want to have a look at it. Myself and Dr. Nicolene kind of just sharing about OpenFlow Bali and also Symbiotic future developments. So all the way up here, you can go to write something. And when you click on that, you can write a title and say, hey, it's my first time posting. Woohoo! Okay, so that's basically all you need to do. Down here you can select the category. So is it part of sharing you? Is it a general discussion? Is it about a meetup? Is it something that you want to be like, hey, we're going to have an online gathering, you guys should come, and post the link? Is it a celebration about something minor or major in your day? Is it an idea or suggestion that you want to add? So you can choose that. I'll do share with you with us. And down here you have an attachment. You can use this to upload photos, GIFs, videos, things like that. Here, here is a link. You can put a link to any of your websites, all of your work, whatever that may be. You can add a video. So this is a really cool function because all you need to do is add a link from YouTube, Vimeo, Loom, or other video platforms, and it embeds it in there. You can add a poll. I'll just make this smaller. Option 1, option 2, option 3, and you can do a community survey if you need to find some perspective. Let's move that. You can add an action about, it's all really highly intuitive and it's very, very simple. Emojis, super fun. GIFs, of course, because you got to have some fun also. And this is only an admin feature where I can send emails. And even though it reduces the spam, right? Because it says only once every 72 hours for admin. So even as an admin, I need to be very conscious about what I send to you via your email. So it's really, really cool. It's minimalistic, but it's really, really effective. If you're on your phone, this will all be in one kind of drop-down menu. You can add a link, add an attachment, add a video, do a poll, add an action. So that will all be in one drop-down menu. And then it's as simple as pressing post. And there it is. And you can comment, like, you can add a reply with an attachment, link, video, or so on. You can come in and edit that. You can also use the tag function. So if last night I had a nice conversation with Tina. Hey Tina. And it should come up here. I can see, look, live, Dr. Nicolene is typing there. If I'm going to say, hey, Javier, all the way in where's Javier at the moment? At the Rafael Nadal Tennis Academy in Barcelona. So that's awesome. And you can tag everyone there. Okay, so it was so fast, it is really effective. And then I can like that, and I can say, yes, this platform is really, really simple, yet will keep us feeling closer than ever. Let's do a GIF. Okay, closed, and this close, so close. That's kind of funny. Yeah, let's do that one. Okay, and then we reply, and there it is. Then we hop out. Okay, last thing I want to check, I don't want to go too long, is the leaderboard. I can see Noah's been active, Dr. Nicolene's been super active, and that's about it.